working on this track with the Swedish House Mafia. This record is a collaboration with us and Absolute. I love LA at night. The later the better. I get inspired here. The vibe is good.
I think that when you make a song, you get inspired from where you are.
Absolute is one of those things that has always been around. It has always been inspiration. Anna.
Awesome.
Where we come from is an underground kind of club culture, and I mean, what do you do in the clubs? You drink.
This record is a collaboration with us and Absolute.
That we're gonna use for special little short movie / video.
It has a big connection, I think, dance music and drinks.
We just start out with an initial idea, you know, work around that and then try to shape. Vill du ha en kick eller?
Ja, en ren.
Den där då? Nej,
Den är lite för mycket så här gummi. Den är bra.
Fast den är
Kort eller? Process is just like it is always when we work together. It's sounds flying everywhere.
Hatar sådana där ljud.
Fast det var nice ljud om man hade tagit bort det hela där plingelili plingelili. The actual campaign is about new drinks, but then it's more about something really cool, I think, which is the idea of the video of the short movie to make music to.
Ready? And lock in.
We're in this control room deep down in some basement with this holographic equipment, and we're controlling one of these futuristic robot dogs. Big ass crane.
They used to be synchronized swimmers. After seeing the ideas of the actual campaign, I think it took off to a little different direction because we were so inspired by what was going on.
This piano part here.
It's that little mystic kind of, are you ready? Are we ready to go there yet?
Vad fan händer nu? Nu slutar det låta här bara.
Kan ni köra låtjäveln en gång?
Ja, jag ska bara hänga sig.
Ja, vänta.
Men ändra kanske så att det inte går 4.
Vad är det som jag gav dig då? Finns det med?
Det ligger här nere i muta.
Ja, för det fattas ett tid liksom. Vi har ungefär 64 kanaler för mycket.
Du trycker på.
Får jag testa?
Vänta, kan man inte pitcha den? Men då tappar den check.
Vi kan göra så här.
Den är mycket bättre än den här.
Det är alltså topp.
Precis. Vad är det?
The melodies kind of comes in and just like a sun, you know, if you have a cloudy weather or something, rainy weather, when the chords comes in, the melody comes in, it's just like the sun comes out, you know what I mean? Just like, As soon as you put a kick drum into a room, something happens. It can be an empty room with nothing in. As soon as you go with a kick drum, you know that something is going on.
Then hell breaks loose after that.
Nej, men det